Hello, viewers. We got a blockbuster challenge for you today. Can you guess the movie by emoji? And guess what? 30 wild round waiting for you. You only have 10 seconds for each one, so stay sure. Okay, smash the subscribe button and let's roll the emoji movie madness. Back to the quiz. What's the name of this movie? Buzzing right, it's B movie? Can you crack the video? Oh, Hannah means family. It's Lilo and Stitch. Recognize this movie? Coraline. What film do these emojis point you? Sweet. Guess that's Wonka. Here is your next cinematic challenge. Which movie do you think this is? Boom, Moana 2. Let's ride the wave of adventure. Can you crack this iconic movie clue? Awesome pick. It's Jurassic World. Take a wild guess. What's the name of this one? Chicken Run. What your guess for this film? That's a Lion King. You nailed it, Dogman. Figure out the movie hint in these emojis. Beep boop, it's Wall-E. Tell the name of this movie. Can you guess this one right? Surprise punch, it's a Kung Fu Panda 4. You comes another one. Can you name it? Of course you can. The Lord of the Rings. Which movie pops in your head and you see this? Kpop Demon Hunters. Got a guess for this one? Yeah, this movie is Cinderella. Decode these emojis what you think say. Alice in Wonderland. Zootopia 2. Exactly, The Jungle Book. Which movie comes next? Batman, one more point for you. What's the title of this film? Take a shot. Snow White. Got any clue for this one? Aha, the bad guys. 2. Great job. Use the emoji clue to uncover the movie. This represents minions. What about this one? Superb, it's Chicken Little. All right, superstars. Time to show off your movie now. It's Shrek. Can you figure out the film? So easy, this is Avatar. Say the name if you know it. The correct answer is Brave. We got Trolls. Can you figure out the movie using just these emojis? Absolutely right, that's Birds of Prey. Can you tell which movie this is? Pick up the phone, or not scream it is.